Hello everyone, Neil again from TopFX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a strategy provider. In other words, the opposite of copy trading. Meaning what? Meaning that if you believe you are a really good trader and you would like to share your knowledge and get rewarded, TopFX and cTrader has a great solution for you. And that is by becoming a strategy provider. How do you do so? First of all, you need to log into your cTrader account. Now, at the bottom left, you click on the section where it says copy. Of course, as we've shown on a previous video, you get a list of all the strategy providers. Now, you need to click on one of the other existing accounts that you have, which would be your strategy providing. Once you do so, then everything changes, and as you can see, to the top right, there is a tab that says Become a Strategy Provider. By clicking so, you need to name your strategy, put down the minimum investment. Keep in mind that the minimum investment should be of 100 and above. If it's going to be a live or a demo account, you can do both. And then where should be visible to everyone. If you prefer to have your position shown, so on and so forth. Last but not least, you got to put down a small description and click Become Strategy Provider. And this is it, as simple as possible. Feel free to ask any questions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.